Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Windows update, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and go ahead and type in command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, you can go ahead and hit run as an administrator and open up command prompt that way. Once the command prompt is open, you can go ahead and type in this command sfc/scan now. I'm not an administrator, but once you do run it as administrator, it will go through. But anyways, once that is done verifying, you guys should be good to go. You can go ahead and X out. Now, the second method you guys can try doing is by going over to settings. From settings, make your way over to system or Windows update. You want to go to system, you want to go to troubleshoot. From troubleshoot, you want to go to other troubleshooters, and then from other troubleshooters, what you want to look for is Windows update, and you want to go ahead and run this. Now, once this is running, you guys can just simply wait, and if it says you have any type of problems, it will give you the fix for that. But if it says you guys are good to go, then you guys should be good to go. Now, what you can also do is simply just, restart your PC once this is done. And once you do that, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.